Welcome everyone to this amazing Google Ads suspension restoration case study where the account was suspended for circumventing system, and we are very helpful to let you know that the account has been fully restored, which was going from crucial circumventing system error. And for those who don't know, your Google Ads account can be suspended for many reasons, including circumventing system, unacceptable business practice policies, misrepresentation, billing or suspicious payment, aggregate violation. There can be other reasons as well, but these are of the primary reasons. And we help companies and clients who are going through the advertiser verification issues, Google account suspension issues. Also, our prime services, Google Ads management services. We are a company based in Dubai, UAE, and helping clients with the Google Ads management services. And we are here with one of the client who got their Google Ads suspension, and we have solved hundreds of cases of Google Ads suspension based on years of experience in the Google Ads. I've been doing Google Ads myself from the last 18 years, and this is another successful case study where the account was suspended for circumventing system. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started with this amazing case study. And I'm going to tell you a few of the steps which were taken, and going to start from start. So let's get started. So let's get started from the client query, and then I'm going to tell you how we proposed the solution and how we were able to restore it. So the account query they provided to us, where they said there's a circumventing system policy violation case study, Google Ads account suspension, which remains suspended for circumventing system policy violation. We already submitted multiple appeals to Google after conducting an extensive internal audit and resolving all the potential issues that could have led to the suspension. However, as per the last communication we received from Google, screenshots attached, they have confirmed that the suspension remains in place and will not be deactivated. The client was very worried, and I'm very thankful that the client trusted us and had to pass through the patience process, and additionally worked for the compliance issues as well, because we help clients with the website compliance, because there are many things which they think have sorted around, but many are left, because after sorting out hundreds of cases we know what's working and what are the checklists, what are the points Google is looking on your website, and in your ad copy and income copy management as well. So it's a whole procedure, not your just a website only. To help you assess our case in detail, we have attached two documents: our key findings and resolutions from the first audit, the additional findings and fixes implement in the subsequent review. Both documents comprehensively outline all the issues we identified and rectified, including previously active accounts, merchant-centered duplication policy violations with creatives, billing irregularities, website issues 404, redirected hidden pages, return refund policy updates, and business identity consistency. We have also ensured that all past Google Ads and merchant center accounts associated with the business have been cancelled to maintain strict compliance. Despite these corrective measures, our account remains suspended for circumventing system. Therefore, we are reaching out to you to review all the attached information and provide your expert opinion on whether this account can realistically be reinstated. Before proceeding with this service, we kindly wanted to ensure this regarding. So please review all the attached details. I'm going to show you the details now. So move on over here, and on over here, let me show you. So let's start from the initial. This is one of the message they got you. Hi Google Ads customer, thank you for your patience while we reviewed your suspension for the account. Okay, I'm going to make myself smaller so you can see clearly. For your Google Ads account 35504400543, following a careful review of your Google Ads account details and information provided in your appeal, we have confirmed that the account remains in violation of Google Ads policy. Therefore, the decision to suspend the account is upheld and it will not be reactivated. Please be advised that this suspension applies to the account owner. Any current or future Google Ads account associated with this owner are also subject to suspension of circumventing system. Creating new accounts lead to further suspension. So you can see around that they have category refused to reinstate this account, and these were the observations from them. So the client also had other accounts as well, where they thought that the link could have been potentially be over there, and they told that all of these accounts were closed or cancelled. They also have merchant center accounts which they thought that this could be the reason, but they also discussed regarding this. They also had some policy issues with the creatives which were being solved. So you can see around a lot work was already done. Organization settings, account advertiser verification was in pending because the account is in suspended stage and they cannot go further from over here. They also did the scanning for malware and malicious code on the website, where they ensured using multiple safe browsing or security checkups to see if there is any issue, including Google Transparency Report, Shukri, which is a very famous, plus their details are up to date. There is no pending payment on the account, and the current balance, where they are prepared to settle immediately, where they cannot do it right now because the account is in suspended state. So you can see everything was being provided over here, but the story doesn't end over here. I'm going to show you the other as well. So this is their other further analysis for circumventing system policy violation. They did a thorough audit of the account, hidden unused pages on the website. They looked around on the Shopify, their other pages. This could be a reason. They looked around for the return refund policy page, all of these things, and if there is any difference of opinion or pattern during checkout policy and on the policy mentioned on the website. They looked around for data as well. All of these things, they were stuck in advertiser verification because the account is suspended, and they also did continuous auditing and fixing, and they identified a potential issue with the local product feed on the Google Merchant Center, which could cause a reason. They also further disapprovals, as I told you before in the part 1. They also sorted it out. They find it out these as well. So moving back, what we did was we investigated and provided them the proposed solution, where we requested the Google Ads access. Also, the suspended accounts cannot provide any access, so which is why I had to get the login password. Plus, we also asked for the Google Search Console report we wanted to see, and the domain was advertised by a third party or not so, and the billing country was Dubai, and targeting was Dubai as well. UAE is United Arab Emirates. So during our audits, I'm going to show you the audits as well, and I'm going to tell you one of the few things which my team did was, although it's a complete team effort, so it's not a single person effort, so credits to the team. So during this circumventing system suspension, the team analyzed few things, including updated pages, including about us, accessibility statement, billing terms and conditions, CCA policy, contact us page, cookie policy, copyright note, disclaimer policy, plus do not sell my information, fact page, privacy policy, return and refund policy page, security statement, shipping policy, terms of service. So each page was categorically reviewed for the suspension. And now moving back over here, and I'm going to show you a few of the things which were done during this audit procedure. Okay, let's start with one of these audits to show you. Okay, so multiple audits were done through the multiple teams, and sometimes your wordings could be issues, sometimes there is a checkout error, sometimes it's an unknown error. So a lot was done. UI UX was relooked, rethought, landing page was redesigned, business identity and consistency was being checked, product and feed alignment, payment, shipping and policy compliance, technical compliance. So a lot was being rediscussed and analyzed, re-evaluated to get it solved. Another audit where the content and media quality was also being checked. There was any plagiarism, any duplicate images, plus our deep analysis of coding of the website was also being checked. UI UX landing page trust was further improved. Even the shipping payment methods you are showing over here was cross checked, were they actually available during the checkout procedure or not. Broker links, small errors, SSL, HTTPS, further documentation was being re-asked from the client, product and feed alignment, shipping and policy compliance, and a lot technical compliance. So a lot was checked and a lot was done through the multiple team members. And another audit, another day, another audit. And I'm just going to summarize over here. Okay, this is not the first time audit, but there were multiple audits. I'm going to show you only the major audits. Also, the Robots.txt file has another crucial role in getting your account restored, because sometimes the crawler is being blocked knowingly, unknowingly. Sometimes there is an app plugin on your theme issue. This could be another reason as well, where the client do not look around, and there was an extensive communication and consultation was done through the Google team, through the Google chat, email support for the compliance. And a lot of work was being done over here. I'm going to show you other as well, that the Google Search Console issues were also being sorted during the procedure as well. You may see around over here that the account suspension appeal was rejected. It's not that like our first appeal was approved. Also, you may see around over here that your appeal is in review. Multiple appeals were in the review. And you may see around that we also helped in getting the advertiser verification done, which is a separate service we offer as a separate service, but we, here we help the client with the advertiser verification as well for the compliance. So after this, what happened is that we finally got an email, and I'm going to show you the email and approval later on, and I'm going to show you the account first. So I'm on the account, going to refresh in front of you so you can have a practical real view. This is an account, and you may see none of your ads is running right now, and I'm going to show you the notifications over here where your account suspension appeal is successful. Your appeal filed on Jan 1 for Circumventing System advertiser verification suspension was successful. Your account is unsuspended and is able to run ads again. So yeah, this is a successful Google ad suspension restoration case study, and I'm going to show you the emails right now from the approvals we got. So this is an account appeal is successful, and this is an email which we got from the Google. Hi Google Ads customer, thank you for your patience while we reviewed your account suspension appeal for your Google Ads account. We are pleased to inform you that the review is complete and your account has been reinstated. Your account has also passed advertiser verification. So you can see around. So yeah, this is a successful restoration case study for Google Ads. We help clients with Google Ads suspensions, restorations. We help clients. We even provide Google Ads management service. We provide Google Ads accounts as well. We are a full-fledged Google Partner company offering a lot of services, including suspensions, disapprovals. So yeah, I hope you like our case study, and I tried to discuss regarding a lot of factors which were being done during the process by my team to make it a successful project. The client trust and patience is a very crucial thing during the process, so I'm very thankful for that. I'm also thankful to my team who worked hard to make sure to make this a successful restoration project. And yeah, in case if anyone needs a professional Google Ads management services, we are a full-fledged marketing company, Google Ads partner based in UAE, and helping clients for running their campaign on Google Ads. But if you are stuck somewhere with a suspension or disapproval or a case like Circumventing System, we are going to help you with that as well. So yeah, I look forward working with you. Me and my team is looking forward to work with you. I hope you like this case study for Google Ads suspension for Circumventing System. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel as well. Take care and bye-bye.